Welcome back for another DoorKing tech tip. Today's tip is installing the DoorKing 32 software. The first step in installing the DoorKing software is to go to DoorKing.com. Once at DoorKing.com, we are going to go to the Software/Registration tab and then click on Software. You have now been directed to the DKS software page. You are going to scroll down the page to the Remote Account Manager section, as this is the software we will be installing today. Under this section, you are going to click Download Software. Here you will find the setup file for the current software. Click on the Setup DoorKing 64c.zip to download and start the install process. Once the file is done downloading, it should open in a window like this on your computer. Go ahead and double click on the Setup DoorKing 64c installer to start installing the software. You will most likely get a pop-up saying Windows protected your computer. Click More Info and then click Run Anyways down at the bottom. The installer has now started. This installer should guide you through the install process. To continue, click Next. This window is asking us where we want to install the program. To keep it simple, let's leave it as a default. Click Next to continue. The installer is now ready to complete the installation. Click Next to confirm you want to install DoorKing. The installation is now complete. You can now close the installer by clicking Close. The software should now be open with the registration screen showing. Great job, you have successfully installed the DoorKing software. Check out our other videos on how to register, and we'll see you next time for more DoorKing tech tips.